Okay, so we're definitely after it this morning. There you go. There you go. So we're hunting a pond here that we got permission. It's not really into the unknown, but it's unknown whether or not we'll get anything. So I guess that's the into the unknown part.
This is.
But at least we get to lay on our backs. That's the coolest thing.
Yeah, I know. I haven't used a layup line all year.
Yeah.
It's kind of different.
Look at, and then we got Ryder over there, and his cool what do you call that?
Dog blind.
Dog blind.
Tangle free.
Tangle free. You kind of need to get back in the. Let your butt hang out, Ryder. You're not really getting blinded.
Come on. Come here.
He's like, this isn't working for me, Dad.
Come on.
I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's not shooting light yet. And we have widgeon. They're probably Eurasians. They're right in front of us. You see them just past the decoys on the other side of the pond?
Yeah.
When it's shooting light, you're going to shoot them.
What time is it?
I don't know. Hey, you don't have to call. They're already landed.
Are they in the pond?
Yeah, they're sitting in the pond.
Oh.
He's getting an itchy trigger finger. There's birds right out there. This is kind of fuzzy, guys. I'm sorry about that. But, oh, there we go. We got him in. Look at that. Look at that bird right there. He's so cute. Can't believe you'd shoot something like that.
They taste good.
Oh, here comes some more. Here comes Your calling's not working.
It's right by. Really?
Good shot, Gage. Oh, we're not starting the day off like this, are we?
I guess we are. Right, come. There, come. In it. Stupid gun.
What? Okay, what?
It didn't cycle.
It didn't cycle?
No.
Maybe we should have brought my gun. Are we shooting single shots? Is that what's going to happen?
I guess.
You know, that gun's been really good for you.
It's been the best gun.
What is it with you guys and your automatics?
Buy automatic, they said. What the heck?
It won't even hold those shell in.
No.
I think you're just going to have to start shooting single shots. Those are all wedging.
Yeah.
So those came right over Gage's head and he didn't shoot any of them.
I was startled.
Nice widgeon. That one's got a red head.
Don't say that.
You were startled, you say?
I was startled. I bet I can hit one from here.
I don't think so. We have birds swimming towards us. They've all landed over there. We should probably be over on that bank, but as they swim closer, Gage, they're your birds, buddy. I think you should shoot that drake on the water.
I think they're close enough.
You think so?
Yeah.
Then give it a shot.
Stay, Ryder. Stay. Stay, Ryder. Stay, Ryder. Stay. 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 You stupid gun. Did I get one?
I don't know.
You
You did.
Oh, I did. He died.
He died. Does that make you feel better that you killed a bird on the water?
Yeah.
Ryder, you're supposed to go get that
Hold
duck.
on, there's another one out there.
Huh?
There's another one out there.
Did you get two at once? Okay, so we're not actually shooting tame ducks here. I know that's what it looks like on video, but
Here, come again.
oh, cool.
You stupid gun. You gotta be kidding me.
His single shot automatic.
You gotta be kidding me. This stupid gun. That duck's gonna come back in.
Well, you better get hidden because he won't come in unless you're hid.
Stay. Right, sit.
Oh, there he is
Sit,
too.
sit,
Here,
sit,
call him.
sit.
If you call him, he'll come in.
Sit. Right, sit. There's a red shell right there. Here, I'll call. He'll come back. Single shot.
We're not going to endorse, what is that, TriStar?
No.
We're not endorsing TriStar by any means. Did you see it? Get that bird, Ryder. Get that bird, Ryder. Good boy.
Good boy. Maybe that's why it kept coming back. they didn't act like witches, that's for sure. Shoot, and they just jump right back in the water.
You start on the water and work your way up, but
I like my single shot.
3 or 4 of those, that's a good dinner. A good dinner. Good job, Ryder.
Spring colors. Spring colors.
That's a nice bird. I mean, he's pretty. Look at all them crows.
Yeah, that is weird. Where'd that dick go?
All a bunch of crows. Isn't it like a kills? What is it?
A bunch of crows?
Yeah.
I don't know. They're off Pirates of the Caribbean.
No, not Pirates of the Caribbean. What the
There's a
heck?
lot of crows.
What are you talking about?
They show a lot of crows in Pirates of the Caribbean.
What?
Yeah, they do.
Okay, you need to Google it. Why do they call a bunch of
A
crows?
crow lay.
What? A crow lay?
I think it's just a flock of crows, right?
No, it's not a flock. It's like a... Hey, comment below if you guys know what it is.
It's a crow lay, I know it.
It's not a crow lay. Okay, I gotta Google it. You need to Google it.
Crowcipians.
I'm sure we're gonna get some mallards today.
Did you hear that deer grunt?
Was there a deer grunt? Or was...
Yeah, I think it was a crow, but
I don't think it was a deer grunt. I think your layout blind kind of puffed up there a little bit.
don't land over there.
Too bad you didn't have another shot.
Stupid gun.
He's coming back.
He might go in the pond.
You can't shoot this one on the water.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because you already got one on the water. So you gotta yell at it.
You gonna yell at it?
Yeah, walk down the bank. Oh, it's getting close. You can yell at that and shoot it.
No, stay. Sit.
Stay, Ryder.
Sit. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Stay. Stay. Woohoo!
Hey! You! Hey! Okay, take the dumb ones out. Oh, you...
Jeez, it isn't. It's a bluebill. Hey.
Did...
It cycled all three.
It cycled all 3?
Yep. Kennel.
So you have no excuse then.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Down. Hey, Kennel.
This is not making a very good duck killing video.
Kennel. Kennel. That last shot, I had Gunner in the way, or Ryder in the way. Kennel.
Okay, we looked it up. What is a group of crows called?
It's not a crowlay.
It's not a crow.
I'm here to tell you it's not a crowlay. It's called a murder.
A murder of crows, dude.
A murder of crows. That's not very good.
No.
I think I like crowlay better.
I do too. Murder seems kind of strange.
You see that murder of crows over there? Yeah, it's not very good.
Yeah.
I know why they hang out here though. We found the farmer's great graveyard over there.
Bones. Those are cool birds. You want one of those to mount? Hey, that's a good bird. And they do eat fish. They're like shooting coyotes. Ryder, you do not get the concept of this blind. It does not mean
jump out when the ducks are flying.
Jump out when the ducks land in the middle of the pond.
I know you heard some birds flying.
Look at that dog.
Ryder.
Go ahead.
Ryder. Those are all hens.
Yeah, if it's something like that too, it'll freak him out. That dog is funny that way.
Get in there. Kennel. Get in there. Get in your kennel. Get in your kennel. Ryder, get in your kennel. Kennel. Ryder, get in your kennel. Kennel. Get in your kennel. Ryder, kennel. Kennel. Get in there. Get in your kennel. 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 Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Stay. Stay.
What was that word you had to say?
Kennel.
I don't know if I can catch this on camera, but there's like a fog bow here. Oh yeah, I catch it. See that? It's a fog bow. Have you guys ever seen a fog bow before?
Like a rainbow but fly.
Yeah, comment below if you've seen a fog bow. That's pretty sweet. See it? Oh, up above us. We can come back around.
Got one of them. They're ringneck.
Dude, they came in fast. That was weird how he saw that. That was kind of strange.
I don't know.
I don't know what that was. Huh.
I guess you kind of have to be committed.
Yeah, I wish I could have got that on film though. That was, I thought he broke a wing coming. I like ringnecks. That's the only duck I have mounted in my house.
Uh-huh. Kind of like a bluebill. Good boy. Good boy. Bring it here. Nope, bring it. Bring it here. Come on, bring it here. Ryder, bring it here. Ryder, bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Come on. No, bring it here. Bring it. This one on this.
We came here because of mallards. Because I want to eat a mallard.
I haven't shot a drake mallard this year yet. Look at that otter. Pretty cool.
Okay, I'll get a video of the otter since we didn't get the mallards. What a goofy little otter.
Gun. Ah, you stupid gun.
How'd you miss? You're getting to know quite a bit about that gun. Have you ever field stripped a shotgun out on a marsh? It could be worse. This could be happening in Klamath where there's mud that would fall in. Okay, are there any gun sponsors out there that would like to sponsor us? Hey, what happened to the gun? You gotta tell the camera.
Okay, so this is the,
what piece is that?
this is the slide. My bolt goes right here, like this. Okay, this is the slide. This, when I shoot, this slides in, so it goes like this. it slides in like this. So when I shoot, it pulls it back and then brings the bolt back. Well, it broke off of that, so the spring is not bringing my bolt back up.
The whole thing broke?
Whole thing broke. So I need that.
Oh, is that cast like aluminum or something?
I don't know, but everything is breaking on this thing. Everything.
So, your little bits of wisdom on Instagram hold true still.
Still hold true. Don't buy a gun from a pawn shop. Because you'll miss Mallards.
I guess you're going to have to get that 870 back, huh?
No, I got Gage's gun.
So, are you telling us that this is the end of the video?
This is the end of the video.
So this is how the video ends.
This is how the video ends. Only one gun.
Now, it would have been epic if you just shot one of those ducks that broke your gun.
No way.
You know, really. So here's the deal. Literally, the duck got the last laugh today.
Yeah.
He broke your gun. A Mallard Drake broke your gun. That's what we're gonna name this. The day that the Mallard Drake broke my gun.
That's crazy.
All right, guys, tune in next time to see if Gage actually has to throw spears at ducks. That's going to be pretty much it for today because I didn't bring a shotgun. I just, Ryder, quit licking. But that's pretty much the end of the film today. Please like and subscribe. Ryder needs the love. And then we're going to work on him getting in and out of the kill.
Check that out. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
If you hold that forward, can you shoot it? I'm kidding. Don't try it.
For a Mallard, I'd try it.